Hello everyone, my name is Lu Jiayong, and today I will be presenting forest restoration and rehabilitation, specifically method for restoring degraded forests and enhancing biodiversity. My target audience is small farmers and businesses at the community level. Let's start with introduction first. Forests provide essential services that are critical to both our environment and our communities. They, se- they help sequester carbon dioxide, maintain biodiversity, and support the ecosystem we rely on. However, due to human activities such as deforestation and unsustainable agriculture, we have lost 420 million hectares of forest since 1990. This loss affect not only global biodiversity and climate, but also our local agriculture system. In the context of sustainable development, restoring degraded forests is a priority. Today, I will be explaining why this topic is important, how it is relevant to you as a farmer and small business owner, and finally, recommend strategy to move forward. The objective of this presentation is to highlight the importance of forest restoration and rehabilitation, especially for small farmers and businesses. I want to show you how restoring forests can promote sustainable development while also benefiting your livelihood. Let's start with the importance of forest restoration in rehabilitation. One of the importance of forest restoration is economical benefits. Restoring forests can lead to increased economic opportunities. For example, by integrated sustainable practice such as agroforestry, you can diversify your income stream. This helps improve soil health and crop yields, which is directly beneficial to farmers. The second is climate change mitigations. Forests act as a natural carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimate that restoring 350 million hectares of degraded forests could sequester 1.1 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually. This plays a huge role in combating climate change while helping to protect the environment for future generations. By restoring degraded forests, we are ensuring a more stable climate, better productivity for your crops, and greater economic security. Now, let's discuss why this is relevant to small farmers and businesses at the community level. The first is improved crop yields. Healthy forests play an essential role in protecting watershed by ensuring a stable water supply that help maintain soil moisture and quality, which directly impacts crop yields. The second is biodiversity. A diverse ecosystem supports pollinators like bees, natural pest control. This is key to improving your harvest as pollinators help crops thrive while reducing the need for chemical inputs. The third is sustainable practices. By engaging in forest restoration enhance your reputation. Consumers are increasingly eco-conscious and they prefer products that are produce sustainability. This could open new markets. And lastly is economic opportunities. Various international programs and grants are available to support small farmers in restoration projects. For example, the United Nations Environment Program (UNEP) offer fundings for sustainable agricultural practices, which you can take advantages of. Next, we will look at the method that can implement to restore degraded forests. Reforestation, which is the simplest and most direct method, is planting native trees to restore the ecology balance. Native species are well adapted to local conditions and can improve biodiversity. Agroforestry is also a method to integrate trees into agricultural systems by planting trees alongside your crops. You can enhance soil fertility, reduce erosion, and boost biodiversity, which leads to better crop yields in the long run. Natural regeneration is also one of the methods to restore, which is which is sometimes the best approach is to let nature heal itself, allow allowing degraded areas to recover naturally supports the regrowth of local flora and fauna without heavy intervention, which can often be cost effective. The last is soil erosion control. Method like control farming can help prevent soil loss, retain water, and enhance the productivity of the land. These techniques are simple yet highly effective. Let's move on to the strategy that can help you move forward with forest restoration efforts. The first one is advocate for policies. It's important to advocate for policies that support forest restoration and sustainable agricultural practices. By voicing your needs as small farmers, you can influence local and national policy decisions. For example, policies that provide subsidies for agroforestry or soil conservation can make a big difference. The second is community engagement, which working together as a community can amplify your efforts, forming local groups to share knowledge, resources, and best practice, which improve the effectiveness of restoration. You can even organize workshops to discuss your experience and challenges and success. To illustrate the benefits of forest restoration, let's look at a couple of real-life examples. The first is Brazil Atlantic Forest Restoration Path. This initiative has restored over 1 million hectares of forest through collaboration among stakeholders, including local farmers. The program not only benefiting biodiversity but also provide economical gain through sustainable farming practices. The next one is Indonesia Mangrove Restoration Project. Since 2015, Indonesia has restored 500 hectares of mangrove, aiming to restore 10,000 hectares by 2030. This project benefits local communities by creating jobs and improving coastal ecosystem health, which helps mitigate the effects of climate change. This example shows how restoring efforts can create both environmental and economical benefits for local communities. In conclusion, forest restoration is not just about protecting the environment. It's directly connected to our livelihood as small farmers and businesses owners. By joining these efforts, we can improve our farming practices, contribute to nature conservation, and play a key role in sustainable development. And these are the reference that I use in this presentation slides. Thank you.